Breaking news on Martyn Lucas Investors channel. We're looking at XRP. How well has it been performing? Spot on. What we've been saying is buying it around 50 cents, buying it at 30 cents. We've been enjoying this run up, but what's more important than buying is knowing when to sell. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you my full exit strategy on XRP, the exact levels I'm going to be selling and where I'm going to be selling. I'm going to be exposing a lot of bad actors that are just creating lies, trying to sell videos. That's not what we do here on the channel. We give you the real information. We fact check our information, and we're not here to sell videos. We're here to serve the family. We're here to serve our members. We have a big responsibility, and we don't like creating fake news like a lot of other channels seem to be doing. I want to make one thing clear. Anything I say during this video should not be taken as financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Even if I was, I can't give financial advice on YouTube. This is a very volatile crypto. Don't put in more than you can afford to lose. Nothing I say during this video is advice. Don't take what I'm saying as gospel. Everyone makes mistakes. So without further ado, let's look at XRP's chart. Let's expose those bad actors. Let me tell you my full exit strategy. It's very important to know when to sell. The easy part is, as Martyn likes to say, it's easy to make money, but the hard part is to keep it. So I've developed this chart. I've been looking at this chart for a few hours. I've looked at various ways to take profit. But we need to keep it simple. There's no need to overcomplicate a exit strategy on XRP. XRP has been pumping over the last 2 weeks. It's doubled over the last month. It's the monthly candle closed just yesterday, and we can see that monthly candle was about 283% the upside. That's about 3x. So that's actually over 3x. So congratulations to everyone who's been in XRP. It's been, as I said, it's going to be a long bear market. It's going to be very, very boring. This was all boring. We've been covering XRP throughout this whole bear market. We've been covering XRP since 2021 as well, when it was been suppressed because of the court case. We've been covering the court case. We were spot on with the court case. We had that little pump, but unfortunately that pump didn't come at a good time. If Bitcoin was in a bull market and we got that SEC ruling back then, XRP would have been doing what it's doing now back then. However, once, as we know, Bitcoin controls the market, Bitcoin broke out, it allowed XRP to break out as well. So we've seen beautiful gains on XRP. It was a very boring time here. We're live every week with very low viewership on my Sunday shows. But we weren't making up news. We weren't here to create false narratives, and it's finally paid off. And XRP is continuing to break out. We've taken out its 2021 highs. It's a very significant level. There are more significant levels, but the 2021 highs have been taken out. We knew that would happen because back then the price was being suppressed. Exchanges weren't listing XRP. There was a war on XRP and Ripple, the company that uses XRP's technology, and that was suppressing the price of XRP. So we knew we were going to break out of the 2021 highs because we were under different market conditions back there for XRP. There was a lot of XRP haters, people saying XRP's technology is terrible, people saying XRP is going to go to zero. And look where we are now, and we're outperforming practically most of the crypto market. I think we've even outperformed Bitcoin at this point. So XRP is one of the best performing crypto assets, and I'm not surprised. I said the longer we go sideways, the longer we accumulate the price, the higher it can go. So where am I looking to sell? Please stick around to the end of the video for my full analysis on my sell levels, as long as all these crypto lies that we're going to expose throughout this video. If you do hold XRP, if you do like XRP, if you do like the fact we don't pump and dump, please do hit that like button. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. If we get 500 likes on this video, I will be doing a giveaway. I'll be giving back to you guys. I've just thought of that on the spot, so I don't know exactly what that will be, but if we hit 500 likes on this video, when this video comes out, I will be doing a giveaway, and I'll give you the details of that maybe in my next Sunday show. I'm live every Sunday, so next Sunday we'll be doing a giveaway if we hit 500 likes. So and if we hit 500 likes, I'll also be donating to our charity partner. I'll be giving away $100 to our charity partner. He is in the channel right now. It's Development Alert Uganda. He does He creates wells in Uganda. He helps with education. I've supported him before, and I'll be giving $100 away just to development in Uganda, and I'll also be doing a giveaway for one lucky winner maybe next Sunday. So it's free, it takes a second, hit that like button. 500 likes is what we're targeting. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. But let's get straight into it. So what should we start with? Let's start with all these lies that are going around. I spent 2 hours, no, not even 2 hours. I think it was about half an hour, 1 hour, scrolling through my Twitter feed, and I came across so many lies. Remember, this 60-minute interview was the lies coming around that were horrific. That's why the owner of this channel, Martyn Lucas, came out and he gave you the facts. He contacted this company. He's got great connections. He contacted 60 Minutes, and they confirmed what we thought. It's not coming out today. It's not that there is no listing. So that was all lies, and we exposed those lies. But there's more lies coming out from all these people. Crypto Geek, here we go. You're 48 hours away from $14.73 per XRP. What is going on? This is where are you getting this news from? No one can predict the future like that. $14.73. Do you know that? I think at that point you're surpassing the market cap of Ethereum. That was on November the 30th. So good luck to him. But he is just selling fake news.
$1.81 is about to happen when Bitcoin breaks out to 97. And
well, look at this. Look at what he's showing. When RLUSD goes live, we're looking at $149. It's just absurd price predictions. It's just trying to get clickbait. It's absurd price predictions. FedNow payment integration, $2,742. Absolutely insane. That is never happening, I don't think, even in 100 years. I just cannot see that happening. And 63,000 for global payment integration. This is just complete fake news. It makes me so angry because people hold on to their crypto for their XRP bags for way too long, and then they miss out on taking profits. I've seen people go from millions of dollars to $3, $4, $5, $10,000 in a crypto bear market. We need to know when to sell. We need to have a strategy. I'm going to be really revealing my strategy later on in this video, but you need to create your own strategy to get out, and you need to stop listening to people like this. This is great. This is great for bringing new people in for liquidity. All these people that are going to be thinking XRP is going to $100 this cycle, they're great because they're going to be holding on while we're going to be exiting. But if you're following this channel, you know this is fake news, and you know that's not going to happen. Here's another one. Is XRP going to $3,000? No, it's not. It's completely fake. What's he on about?
The question is, what happens if 300,000 people...
It's just random numbers. Absolutely. It's just, and 2,000 likes. There's people following this guy completely blindly. I think it's absolutely ridiculous. Here's another one. RLUSD. This is one of the reasons XRP is going up in price. This is because we are waiting to hear approval from the New York court or the New York Commission about the RLUSD. It's probably going to be the best stable coin on the XRP ledger, done by a company that's always regulatory first. People come into crypto and they think that regulation is not important. We need to avoid regulation. Regulation is terrible. Actually, regulation is good as long as we know what the regulation is, and as long as it's clear. The regulation has never been clear for crypto. We have been on the right side of the law with the XRP case. That's why we've come out victorious. The only cryptocurrency that is not a security, that's deemed not a security in the US, in the United States of America, the only one that's got clarity saying that XRP, the token, is not a security. That's another reason XRP is my top holding, is because regulation is important. I think when the Ripple USD comes out, it's going to be very important, but we don't know the date. This is, again, it's fake news. 12th for the 4th, 24. Anyone can make updates. Just a reminder that this is also fake news. Here's another one. XRP can easily, listen to that, XRP can easily reach $10,000.
XRP has the potential to reach $10,000. Here's why. I know that $10,000 XRP price tag sounds ridiculous since XRP is sitting at...
It's completely ridiculous, and he knows it's ridiculous. He knows it's never going to get there. He's going to sell all his bags much sooner than that. He's just creating videos. He's trying to get engagement. But I just don't want anyone who's following this channel, if you found this channel, you're very lucky, especially if you're new to crypto, because you need to know that this is all lies. This is just within 30, 40 minutes of scrolling my Twitter, I found all this. And I know about crypto. There's lots of people that can think that can come into the crypto markets and believe this and think this is possible for XRP. It's not possible.
Saw that certain thing going above $10,000, and I saw it going to $5 quickly. And the Lord told me that this would be big, like Apple, Microsoft. It would be.
What even is this? He's trying to bring God into this and saying that the Lord has told him. I mean, I just find this ridiculous. The same person who predicted Trump's assassination says 10,000 per XRP. I mean, I don't know how this has got so many views, how many likes, how many people are falling for this stuff. XRP is not going to $10,000. You need to lower your expectations a lot. And I'm going to be revealing my full XRP strategy. If you're enjoying the video so far, as I said, 500 likes, we're going to be giving $100 away to charity. Our charity partners in the channel right now. I'll also be doing a giveaway for one of you viewers. Just in, here we go. This is another one. Just in, as if it's verified news. BlackRock to pour $9 trillion into XRP, according to recent publications. Previously, BlackRock and JP Morgan had revealed intent to launch XRP ETF. Again, yes, I think an XRP ETF is coming. I do think that. I think that's great, and that's going to be great for the price of XRP. However, you can't just say the news is $9 trillion, they're going to pour $9 trillion into XRP. It's just absolutely ridiculous. That is not happening. And they're not the ones doing it. If an ETF comes, it's people buying, and it's not going to be $9 trillion, unfortunately, this market cycle. However, I think $9 trillion might, and the market cap of XRP one day might be $9 trillion. That is possible, but that's not a price of $1,000. That's much lower, but not this cycle. I think we'll be very lucky to hit $1 trillion for XRP this cycle, but I'll be revealing my positions and when I'll be selling XRP. I just want to expose all these lies, especially for all the new people that have come into XRP, just trying to lower your expectations and give you the real news. Are you mentally prepared for this, XRP? Look, it's just moons and we're going to all get rich. It's hard. It's not easy to keep the money that you're going to make in XRP in this crypto bull run. It's making money is the easy part. Keeping it is hard. People are making it seem very easier. We're all going to become millionaires. We're all going to do this. We're all going to do that. Having a rocket ship to $120, it's not going to be easy. You need a strategy, and I'm going to be showing you my strategy so that hopefully that makes you think of creating your own strategy. We've got someone in the channel right now saying, I truly appreciate you being so honest about crypto. There's just too many people out there talking. Yes, there is, and that's not what we want to do on the channel. We're not here to sell videos. We're here to give you our honest opinions. We don't want people falling for all of this well, it's not even clickbait because it's just fake. Here's another one. BlackRock and JP Morgan readying to submit XRP ETF verified. We don't know if it's verified yet. We do know there's some applications coming out. I haven't seen any application from BlackRock or JP Morgan, but we have seen some XRP ETFs applications being put in. I think they will come once the court case is fully finished. I think that will come to light, and I think that XRP court case might be coming to a close later on. Look, I'm saying I think, I don't know, but there's a strong possibility that now Gary Gensler's out. Gary Gensler was terrible for this industry. He kept lying. He kept saying it's clear, all the regulations are clear. I think the XRP lawyer, the Ripple lawyers, did very well in their court case by saying that it's not been clear. We've been trying to follow the regulations for the longest time, but you just keep changing it, keep making it up. But once that court case comes to an end, I think an ETF can be on the horizon, and that'd be great for the price. Here's another one. Boom. Here we go, just absolutely random. Breaking, XRP glitch this morning, 62,000 per XRP. It's just absolute rubbish. I'm not even going to spend any time on this. Here's another one, 60-minute Brad Garlinghouse. Watch this. Oh, this is what we had to debunk. Martyn came out here and changed this and corrected this straight away, because this could have created a lot of terrible trades for people. It could have affected a lot of people because people take this seriously. On Sunday, December the 1st, 60 Minute is about to interview Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. That's today. Do we see an interview? No, we don't. I guess he'll talk about the launch of ISUD, which will complement XRP. Ripple is targeting December the 4th as a possible launch date. Again, where she got that from, December the 4th as a possible launch of our LUSD. We don't have that. I do actually think it's going to be soon. I think it's going to be in the month of December that we do get the launch of our LUSD, and that's from proper journalism, from proper people. I've got that information. I speak to a lot of I've been in the crypto community for about 6 years. 7 years. I've been going to so many crypto events, and I've been following proper journalism. And I do think that RLUSD coin is coming this month. We can't give you a date because we don't know a date. However, this has been proven wrong now. On Sunday, December the 1st, 60 Minutes going live. This was very important, and I thank Martyn for coming out with the news and contacting the 60 Minutes members, and clarifying that that's not happening. Brad on 60 Minutes this Sunday. Nope. Looks like the show will start at 7. No, please share for XRP awareness. He thinks all of these people just hate it because they think they're doing us a favor. They think they're part of the XRP community. Please share for awareness. Do us all a favor. No, if you share this, then you're just sharing fake news. We don't want people sharing fake stuff. Here's another one, Sunday the 1st December. Nope, it wasn't. This is the tweet, the only tweet you can go by the CEO of Ripple. Last week, 60 Minute interviewed me about crypto. I'm very excited for this interview, but I'll tell you how I'm going to trade it because it might be a sell the news event. But I'm very excited about this interview because a lot of people that aren't in crypto will see what a great guy Brad Garlinghouse has and what great technology they're using, XRP. But this is all we had to go off. Last week, 60 Minute interviewed me about crypto, the push for regulatory clarity, and how the industry banded together to advocate for pro-innovation candidates on both sides of the aisle through Fairshake PAC. Full episode to be aired soon. Stay tuned for details. Stay tuned for details. Calm down. Don't make up random predictions. Stay tuned for details. We're coming to the end of this, and I'll give you my full XRP strategy. Let me just go through a few more. The 60-minute episode that just aired was amazing. Did you see what you guys said about XRP? It's just complete, what's it called? Click farming, fake news. It didn't air. This is what the news we want to bring you. XRP settlement, SEC settlement with Ripple, 149 per XRP. It is fake. That is not a thing. Brad Garlinghouse has confirmed Ripple's intent to become a major shareholder in Swift. Fake news, and they're doing fake giveaways. We won't do fake giveaways. Once we hit 500 likes on this video, do hit the like button. I'll share you proof I give $100 to charity. And as I said, 500 likes, we'll do some sort of giveaway for the community as well. But this was all fake. I am willing to bet that this person didn't give any money away. Here's another one, a TikToker. All these TikTok predictions predicts that XRP is good. As if that gives him any credibility. A TikToker predicts XRP is going to skyrocket. The price of XRP will hit $10,000.
13 trillion.
Fake news. Don't sell your XRP until these. So this one actually has a few. I did actually see a few important things on this. He's given 7 reasons. I think 3 of them are important. This is actually. I wanted to bring this as well. Don't sell your XRP until these targets have been met. Again, I don't agree with the sentiment. Sell your XRP when it's right for you. Sell your XRP when you have made money that's going to change your life. Sell your XRP when sell your XRP if you can't afford to lose it. If you can't afford an 80% drop, because 80% drops come in bear markets. If you can't afford that, then sell your XRP. I chose XRP because I don't mind if it goes down at 80% in value, because I like the technology. It's going to stick around, but I don't like how he said don't sell your XRP until these targets have met. But some of these targets, RLUSD is released. That is going to be good for XRP, especially the build up to that is going to be good for XRP. When it gets released, maybe it's a little bit of a sell the news event. But he's given a few other. Trump is in the White House. Again, that's not going to have a real effect because we've already seen what Trump wants to do. So that's already been factored in. Gary officially leaves the SEC. That's not going to have too big of an effect because we've already seen the effect of that. We already know he's leaving. The Ripple case ends, so that's again that will be a little bit important. Seeing when that, if we come to a settlement or if the case is dropped by the SEC, that will be a good catalyst. So yes, I agree with that one. Alt season starts again. We haven't seen the full blown alt season. We might not get an alt season. Cycles suggest we do. We should get an alt season. I am expecting alt season, but we might not get a full-blown alt season. Yes, I agree slightly with that. Ripple named big bank partnership. We don't have to wait for that. We don't have any news that there is going to be a big bank partnership yet. XRP's ETF approval. I think this is going to be a big one. I think as we saw with ETHs, how much ETH went up before the ETF. I think that's going to be if that comes to fruition during this bull market, I think that's going to have a major effect on XRP's price. So that's not been the worst one we've seen, but yeah, so I think we can come to an end of this. And here's another one: XRP skyrockets, $100 within reach of momentum builds, and it's just weird videos they're putting out. So why have I been telling you about that? Well, it's just because I don't want people that are watching this channel just to think that what they've been watching on TikTok and Twitter and other channels is true. Those people only care about themselves. Those people only care about making themselves money. They might not even hold XRP. They might just be making money off all these fake content they're creating. They might just be wanting some exit liquidity, so they pump these XRP and then they sell it on you while they've sold all their XRP. They're still trying to get the price going up. These people are probably just trying to make money by selling videos. That's not what we do here. And it's important to see what the sentiment is. What is true is there are a couple important indicators. As I said, XRP ETF will be great. The Ripple USD coin is going to be great. That's all going to be very important. But now we come to the main part of the show, which is my exit strategy. I've spent a good few hours thinking of the best way to take my profits on XRP, and I've just used some very simple indicators. Fibonacci's always work great, so that's what I've been using, and just some of my own common sense. So I've been looking at previous cycles as well, to look at where to take the Fibonacci points from. I've taken most of my levels are from Fibonacci points from the highs, the all-time highs to the all-time lows. Some Fibonacci points from the 2021 highs to this bear market lows. I've also been looking at I'll show you here. Hopefully that doesn't delete that. I've been looking at how previously the market has traded in very volatile periods when XRP has gone up a lot. I've been seeing exact percentage moves: 531% in 13 days, then a 2 days with a 50% drop. So I've been taking this all into account. So that was back in 2017. We saw a massive breakout, 531% move to the upside within 13 days, and then there was a 2-day consolidation with a 50% drop. So the reason that's important is there will be volatility on the way up. There will be big drops. There was a bull flag there, 45% in 3 days, 34% in 2 days, and then it was 738% in 22 days. I've been saying this throughout the whole of the bear market. When XRP moves, it moves. And when it moves up very fast. So that has been important to take into account. And then I've been looking at the chart, analyzing this, and I've come up with my sell levels. So if I can just bring up what you've been waiting for, is exactly where I'm going to be selling. I'm going to give you my targets. Again, this is not financial advice. This is what I would be doing. And let me just remind you, we've broken out of the 2021 highs, which is great. We are heading up to I think all-time highs, which is about $3.37. If you look at my Twitter, I don't post that much. I should hopefully I'll be posting a bit more, but my main tweet, which I've pinned since 2023, XRP will change people's life. Any day now, the judge will make her ruling. I'm optimistic she'll make the correct decision. That's happened. That was right. She made her ruling. She made the correct decision. XRP will make new all-time highs. I feel sorry for anyone who doesn't own any. Here's my ledger, 100% XRP. That was at a price of 52 cents. We've been buying around 30 cents. I was very clear with you guys. No lies, no fake news. I just said my opinion, where I said it would make new all-time highs. Not terrible price prediction. I'm not saying it's going to $100. I gave you my price prediction and when I was buying. Now we're sat at $2.16. So we've taken out those previous highs. And if we look at the weekly chart, here we go. So I've got a few lines in green. These levels, for me personally, they are points where I might be selling, but they're points where I might be selling just because there's resistance, so I can buy more XRP and buy it back. So I've got a few levels which I might see resistance. Right now, I think we're going up. I don't think there's much resistance in our way, unless Bitcoin corrects. Remember, Bitcoin's we can look at Bitcoin in a second. If Bitcoin corrects, then XRP might come down a little bit. But if Bitcoin goes sideways or up, I think we'll move up another 21% with no resistance above. That will be the 786 from the all-time high. That's a key level. Excuse me. That's a key level. So $2.62. I think there will be some resistance there. I might sell a little bit there and buy back a bit lower. The next key level, the 1618 from 2021, another key level. That's on the Fibonacci. That is around $3. So $3 again. I might sell there, buy back at $2.62. So I can accumulate more XRP, and then it's the all-time high at $3.30. That again can be it won't be as significant as these other two levels, but $3.30 might be another level where I might sell a little bit of my position and buy back. At these points, I might sell about 10 to 15% of my position, probably buy back most of it, might take some profits, might try and get my initial investment out of XRP. But those aren't key levels. Those aren't my bull market predictions. And then we come on to my bull market predictions, the 2618 from 2021, $4.65. That is where I'm going to be taking out around 15% of my position. 15% of my position, around that amount, I'll be taking out at around $4.70. Another 10-15% around $5.31. My main target was $5 because I bought quite low at 30 to 50 cents. I'm happy with those gains. And $5, I'll be taking out another 10 to 15, maybe even 20% of my position at $5.30. And at that point, I've made money. I've taken profits. I've actually made just from the percentage I would have taken out at that point, I would have made a significant profit, even by just only selling around 30% of my position. Then we've got levels which are harder to reach, but I think still possible. $6.37, I'll sell another 10 to 15%. $6.37, that is another key level. That's a 3618 on the Fibonacci from 2021. Then we've got the 432.6, $7.41, another 10 to 15%. 2618 at $8.51, another 10%. At that level, I must be only selling 10%. And then these are levels which, if we have a very good bull market, we might actually reach. $11.70, another 10-15%. $13.69, another 10-15%. And then my final target, very unlikely to achieve, but if we do, I'll be selling probably the rest of my position at $18.16. There is no targets of $100. There's no targets of $50. There's no targets of $1,000. There is one maybe target of $33, but that is just if it's a massive bull run, if XRP's ETF really takes off, if XRP flips Ethereum. That is my final target. My biggest target is $33. My biggest target's not $100. I don't think that's occurring at all. I don't think we're going to $1,000. I don't think we're going to $2,000. I don't think we're going to $50,000. There's no chance any of that's happening. If we do get anywhere above $10, $18, if we get to $33, I think we'll be flipping Ethereum at that point. That might be a possibility. But just as I bought DCAing in, I'll DCA out. I think is the best way to take profits, just to guarantee profits. This is my own personal strategy. I will be selling at levels. I don't know exactly when the top is. No one knows when the top is. Please do hit the like button if you're still enjoying the video. No one knows when the top is. The best way, in my opinion, to take profits is to think of levels that you'll be happy with, to secure profits. For some people, these levels might even be good take profit levels, and they don't even need to wait that high to go to $5. Some people might have already taken their profits, and congratulations to them. We've already probably seen nearly an 8-9x since the bottom. So I'm a bit more risk averse. I don't mind taking on a bit more risk, and that's why I'm waiting for higher targets. But I'm going to be starting taking about 10 to 15% at each of these levels: $4.70, $5.30, $6.37, $7.41, $8.51. Any of these might be the high of the market: $11, $13, and then the other ones are just very high targets that might be reached. Very small chance, but any of these can be the top, and I want to be DCAing out. I want to be securing profits at each level. I'm not going to take a strategy where I sell it all at a specific level. So that might work better for some people. For me, what works best is dollar cost averaging out my position at specific levels, which I've seen in the past being tops. I've studied the charts. I've seen how we will perform. I've seen how bull markets occur, especially XRP is a little bit different to other assets. When it moves quickly. And when it moves down quickly. And these levels, I think, are important to start taking profits. Right now, there's nothing abnormal. If the market structure changes, I'm here every week studying it. If we see any any consolidation, if we see downwards moves, it might be normal. However, if we see prolonged moves to downside, if we see prolonged sideways action, that might be suggesting we're coming to a top. We might not be following other cycles, and we need to look at it again. But right now, it looks like it's business as usual. It looks like it's how XRP's performed in previous runs. I'm still very confident. This is very bullish. We are overbought, but that's what happens in bull markets. You always get overbought. In 2017, on the weekly, we went as high as 95. We're at 90 right now. And actually, it's more bullish that we're overbought on the RSI, because that gives the bulls the momentum and we can continue moving further up. So right now, I'm very happy with my XRP position. I just want to bring you the real news, my real strategy, what I'm actually going to be doing. No fake news here. If you did enjoy the video, please do hit the like button. If you want more information, join me every Sunday. The market can change, Bitcoin can change. I'll be here every Sunday giving you my thoughts and opinion. Please do subscribe if you haven't. And as I said, 500 likes, $100 to charity. We'll do a giveaway for the members as well. We've got 291 people watching live, so thank you for that. But I will close out the video now. Thank you all for watching. There'll be two videos, one up here, one down here for you to watch if you're watching this as a video. But until next time, take care of yourselves and each other.